Hello, I'm Anna Kasatkina and you're watching InstaForex News. The British pound is expecting the last surge in purchasing, which should move it above the mark of 1.60 US dollars, especially if the US dollar remains so weak, though after the economic realities will dominate and the British pound support will fade. The stronger than awaited data from the UK, good profitability reports in the bank sector and investment flows connected with merger helped the pound to continue the climb, which has been observed for 2.5 months already, thus letting it ascend from the level below 1.43 US dollars. The pound will receive extra hold up later this week if the data of the employment level in the USA due on Friday emphasized the rumors about possible further easing of the US FRS policy. This is likely to weaken the positions of the American currency and thrust the pound to a sharp uprise to 1.63 US dollars. Insignificant volumes of trades in August and also some signs of driving the short positions on the pound are making this scenario even more probable. Though after that the pound escalation should go off. The national currency of Great Britain will look overestimated at this level and the British economy will not seem to be as good as before. The economic growth in the second quarter could have appeared stronger than expected, which supported the pound upturn. But in summer, the evidence that this advance is not stable has emerged. The real estate market of Britain remains rather lax and is demonstrating almost no features of a strong recovery. The upmove of crediting volumes in private sector as well as in business sector is still fragile amid the demand deficit and strict crediting conditions. And now, when the prospect of growth in the euro area is worsening with the initiation of the austerity economy measures, the outlook for the British export is also threatened. The hopes that the higher export demand will be able to compensate for the deceleration of the activity on the domestic market seem completely groundless. By far, the further monetary policy easing by the Bank of England has been hardly discussed. The central bank is likely to confirm that the volumes of the quantitative easing will be left unchanged after the meeting, which is due this week. However, the fears concerning that if the US FRS regards a possibility of increasing the liquidity inflows in the financial markets, the Bank of England can follow this example. This can be reflected in the minutes of Thursday's session, which will be published in 2 weeks. If it happens, the pound will rapidly lose profitability attractiveness, and its upturn, which has been continuing from the moment of the Conservatives and Liberal Democrats coalition election, will fade. You've been watching Forex News provided to you by InstaForex. Goodbye.